A vertical square plate 1.40 meters in its side is submerged half in oil and half in water. If the top of the plate is flush with the oil surface, what is the ratio of the force of water to oil? Specific gravity of oil is 0.80. Vertical square plate 1.40 by 1.40. Half is oil and the other half is water. Specific gravity of oil is 0.80. Ratio is equal to force of water over force of oil. And specific gravity of oil is 0.80. 1.40 divided by 2 is equal to 0.70. And 0.70 divided by 2 is equal to 0.35. Pressure of oil is equal to 9.81 times 0.80 times 0.35. Pressure of oil is equal to 2.7468. Force of oil is equal to 2.7468 times 1.40 times 0.70 is equal to 2.691864 kN. Pressure of water is equal to 9.81 times 0.80 times 0.70 plus 9.81 times 0.35 is equal to 8.9271. Force of water is equal to 8.9271 times 1.40 times 0.70 is equal to 8.748558 kN. Ratio is equal to force of water over force of oil. Ratio is equal to 3.25